What if you could create an AI avatar that looks just like you, down to facial features, style, and expressions, then animate it in any style you want, all with OpenAI? In this video, I'll show you how to upload your photo and turn it into a fully animated version of yourself, whether it's in Disney Pixar style, Ghibli, comic book, or even realistic cinematic. And that's just the start. OpenAI tools now make it easier than ever to turn your script into scroll-stopping visuals using just your phone. No pro gear, no editing experience, just the right tools and a little creativity. Let me show you how to do it step by step and why this could change the way you make content forever. So if you go to ChatGBT and you upload a picture of yourself, I'm just going to upload my avatar, Lottie, and then I'm going to put in make her realistic. So this is what they came up with. She looks extremely cute. It looks spot on to what she would look like. Now you can take any picture and turn it into any animation you like. Now let's take this picture and say, can you make her Ghibli? Now it's going to turn her into an anime character. She looks so cute. Okay, so now what we're going to do is turn her into a Muppet. Like the ones that I've been seeing everywhere. Okay, so this is spot on. It even got the books in the back like Sesame Street. So now I'm going to turn her into Disney Pixar. Now, Lottie is a Disney Pixar image, but I did tell ChatGPT to tone down the Disney a little bit, just in case copyright issues. Just make sure when you create your character, it's not copyrighted or anything. Looking for my prompts? They're all in my Creator Hub, linked in the description. You'll find powerful tools, mini tutorials, and 100+ prompts updated every month. It's everything I use, made simple for you. The best part is that OpenAI keeps your character consistent. I asked them to show me Lottie driving a bike. This is what they showed me. Now let's show her eating at a table. And it always stays consistent. Whatever character you use or avatar, it will always stay consistent. That is definitely the best part about OpenAI. So now you're going to say, show her talking on a podcast with 3 of her friends. Because it not only created 3 of her friends, it showed them in a podcast. I thought that was so cool. So now what you're going to do is save the picture and take it over to HALU for the movements. Now, once you're over in HALU, I've showed you many times how to use this, but I am going to show you again. So you're going to upload the photo, and what you're going to put in the prompt, show them talking and interacting while one speaks, they all listen. Like a podcast. So once you have that in, you're going to click generate, but make sure you have it on IV2 One Live for the best generating. It takes a couple minutes, but once it's done, now you can download it. Go down to the bottom right there and click download without watermark if you have a subscription. And then you click download and now it's in your phone. And here it is and what it will look like. I like how they're interacting and one's talking, one takes out a notebook. I think this looks so good and I can't wait to show you how to make them all talk. Now what you're going to do is come on over to ChatGPT again. Once you're in ChatGPT, you're going to put in, can you create me a podcast of Lottie talking with her friends? She has 2 women and 1 man. They are talking about OpenAI. Now it's going to give me a script not only with all of their names, so there's Lottie, Maya, Jess, and Chris. And the best part is that it gives me a script. Now, I don't like how long Lottie talks. I want it to be a little shorter. So I want everyone to get a chance to talk, so it's like a back and forth podcast thing. So I say, make the scripts shorter. So now it's going to show Lottie giving a quick message, and then it goes from Lottie to Maya to Jess to Chris. Lottie, Maya, Jess. I'm just showing you a short way of how to do it. So what you're going to do is go over to CapCut. You're going to upload your video of them. You're going to take the video and you're going to duplicate it. Find duplicate. And once you click duplicate, it makes a second one. But do you see how it goes right into it, not smoothly? The second clip you're going to take and you're going to click reverse. This is how I make clips longer. Once it's reversed, it will look like it's smoothly going into the next slide. See that? And then Chris packs up his notebook. They're still talking and laughing. You're going to do this as long as your script is. Once you've made the video as long as you want it, you click audio, and then you're going to click text to audio. Now, what you're going to do is take all the Lottie parts and you're going to bring it back over to CapCut. Then you're going to come back over to ChatGBT, and then you're going to take that one back over to CapCut. Once you have all Lottie parts, you're going to pick a voice. I'm going to click Jessie because she sounds cute. Lottie. I'm just showing you how you can do this. You can use 11 Labs to get all of them, but I'm going to show you how to do it on CapCut. Yes, click split so that you can use it better. Now it's going to sound like this, but it's just Jessie's part. Once you have her voice, you can change the subtitles if you want, but I am going to show you how to do it later because I am going to delete these. But there's so many subtitles you can choose, but that part's not important right now. Now, you do need the other voices, and you can't text to audio in the same video. So what you're going to do is upload the video again. You're going to create 4 videos for each person talking. So now this video is for Jess. Now we're going to take all Jess's parts from ChatGPT and take them over to CapCut. Once they're done, we're going to pick a voice for Jess. Now let's choose this one here. And yes, you do click split. Once that's done, you're going to download this. But also, now, once it's downloaded, you can download it in 1080 if you want, or you can 4K, but you're only using the voice. Once you have that done, you're going to take it back to the original post where you created Lottie's, and you're going to click extract audio. Jess's audio. So now you have Lottie's and Jess's audio. Click Lottie's audio, and you're going to separate the audio from the subtitles so you can delete the subtitles. Because if the subtitles are only for Lottie, you won't see everyone else talking. Just go down the line and separate them all. Once they're all separated, you just click on it, Lottie subtitles, and then you just click separate. It's right down there in the toolbar. And then you just delete all the subtitles, but it will still have the audio there. So now you can use both audios. Now what you're going to do is go back over to ChatGPT, and right where Lottie's stops, that's where you're going to stop the audio for Lottie, and then that's when Jess starts. And then after Jess, you start Maya. Of course, Maya was first. Sorry, you go down the line. Or Lucky
scared.
Same, so it's gonna look like this.
But also creepy.
So right after Jess stops talking,
like what can
then
it do?
you cut Jess's off, and then after Jess would be Chris. So after, and then you just keep going and sliding them back so that it looks like they're all talking in a conversation. This is what it will look like.
Welcome back.
So there goes Lottie talking, and then Maya, and then Jess,
both, honestly.
and then Chris. So you go down the line, you read on ChatGPT where one starts, one finishes, and it's so easy to just break them up and slide them down. If you're wondering how I got them to laugh, I just put in woman laugh, and a bunch of them will pop up. This is the one that I used because it seems like a soft laugh for a podcast. So I just stuck that in there. Remember, you can use 11 Labs or Runway for your voiceovers.
Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, OpenAI. Is it changing the world or ruining it?
Both, honestly.
Depends who you ask.
Depends how scared you are.
All right, Jordan, real quick, what is OpenAI?
Think of it like a company building really powerful AI tools. ChatGPT, DALL-E, all that.
And Sam, businesses are using this already, right?
Every day. Marketing, emails, videos, AI saves time, saves money.
But it also kills jobs.
Fair point. Jordan, is anyone regulating this?
Kind of. Not enough yet.
Government's always 10 steps behind.
And big tech loves that.
So, should we be worried?
Careful, yes. Panic, no.
I'm panicking a little.
All right, coming up, what AI could get really right and what could go terribly wrong.
If you enjoy learning about AI and how to use it on your phone, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that bell button so you can get all the new updates. Thanks for watching.